This video is a watercolor video, a watercolor portrait video, and the style that I'm using is dry on dry, and the seat is Chitrapat. It's 300 GSM and all. In this video, it's all about watercolor portrait and how I created my own style, and thankful to the owner of the reference. And if you can help me by letting me know what kind of mistakes I did in my work, that will be much helpful to me as well, because as a student I need guidance and all. I just think that people who are watching my video can be my teacher as well. And if you find any kind of mistakes, please help me out, because that will be a great help to me and my career as well. And I have used my own way of doing watercolor. I usually do dry on dry, so I did just that. And this work took more than 4 to 5 hours to complete. I messed up in flowers a little bit, but in next reference I will try to improve myself and all. And if you think or if you like this video, there is a link down below in description that you can go and watch. And in the end I realized that I have messed up the face and proportion little bit, not little bit, a lot. So I just hate this drawing after this that, but still as a practice work I will say it is good. I was not doing it as a practice work in the first place, but after seeing the proportions and all, I was disappointed. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch the entire video, you can go to the description and see it, and please do not forget to tell me what are my mistakes on this video. Thank you.